नमस्कार दोस्तों, today's topic for our discussion is antioxidant. So today we are going to talk about a very important topic which is from chemistry, and that is called antioxidant. So we will be covering this particular topic, antioxidant, under the following headings. Like, we will come to know what are antioxidants, how do antioxidants work, what are the various food sources of antioxidants, and its role in our real life. First, what are antioxidants? So antioxidants are special molecules. Okay, antioxidants are special molecules that protect our body's cells. Fine, antioxidants are special molecules that protect our body's cells from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Damages caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. From that damage, protection of our body takes place. So antioxidants are special molecules which protects our body cells from damages, okay, caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Now the question is, what are free radicals? What is free radical actually? So free radicals are produced naturally in our body. In which metabolism is taking place, various functions are taking place in our body. Then from pollution, environmental factors, outside factors, pollution, even smoking, stress, and even by doing exercises also, free radicals are produced in our body. So when too many free radicals build up, when too many free radicals gets accumulated in our body, they cause oxidative stress. And which can further lead to damaging of cells, DNA, and even tissues. Understood what is free radical? So free radicals are produced naturally in our body. It is produced due to metabolism, due to pollution, due to stress, smoking, and even by doing exercises. When too many radicals are built up in our body, then further it will cause oxidative stress, and which can damage cells, DNA, and tissues. So free radicals are not at all, we can say that, very much useful in our body. It causes chaos in our cells, damages in our cells, free radicals, whereas antioxidants bring back the balance in our body. So antioxidants are useful. Antioxidants bring back balances in our body, whereas free radicals damage these cells. How an antioxidant work? See, always there is a war in our cells. Inside our cells, always the battle or war is going on. Okay, how? So normal oxygen atoms, which are stable oxygen atoms, are available in our cells. Those oxygen atoms, all electrons are paired. Those oxygen electrons which are available in oxygen, those are paired one. Right. So oxygen atoms are stable one. Normal oxygen atoms are stable. Free radical, when we say, it is an unstable molecule, free radical. Okay. So it loses one electron when free radical comes, suppose if that normal oxygen loses one electron, in that case it will try to regain back its own electron atom to get it paired. Okay, so it will try to get one electron from other molecules like DNA or cell membranes. From there it will try to get another electron so that it can get paired, right? Antioxidants now will be coming for rescue purpose. Antioxidant will donate one of its electrons to the free radical. See, if the oxygen atom has lost one electron, it will become free radical. Now that free radical will try to gain back one more electron. So that one more electron will be coming from where? It will be coming from antioxidant, and it will donate one of its electrons to the free radical and making it again as stable atom. Okay, and it stops, antioxidants will be stopping the chain reaction before more cells are damaged. If in this process becoming free radical the cells gets damaged, so that chain of reaction can be stopped, or it will be stopped by antioxidant. So the main thing is antioxidant sacrifices or donates one electron to save our cells. To save our cells. Okay, so we can say that free radicals are destroyers of the cell, cell destroyers, and antioxidants are cell protectors. Antioxidants are cell protectors. Together, both of them, free radical and antioxidant, they maintain balance and cell health. Together, free radical and antioxidant, both of them together maintain balance and cell health. Right. So, some of the interesting fact I am going to tell you, that we are breathing, respiration. Okay, respiration is a process in which inhaling of oxygen and exhaling of carbon dioxide takes place. Right? Okay, so every breath which we take, it produces thousands of free radicals in our body. In every breath, thousands of free radicals are produced in our body, and immediately even antioxidants are constantly neutralizing them. Simultaneously, antioxidants are also working in our body, and it prevents damages to the cell. So we can say that a 24/7 defense mechanism is on in our body, right? 24/7 defense mechanism is working in our body. Right. Now, some types of antioxidants. Okay. Enzymatic antioxidant. When we talk about types of antioxidants, enzymatic antioxidants, which are made inside our body to neutralize radicals, it is enzymatic antioxidants. Okay, which are made inside our body itself to neutralize radicals. And we can say some of the common example as superoxide dismutase. Enzymatic means it is an enzyme, superoxide dismutase, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase. Glutathione peroxidase. So these are some of the enzymatic antioxidants. There are some non-enzymatic antioxidants are there, which are obtained directly from diets and which are acting directly on free radicals, like vitamin C, vitamin E, beta carotene, polyphenols, flavonoids, selenium. Okay, these are some of the non-enzymatic antioxidants. So our body makes some antioxidants, but diet gives us the extra troops, extra force, extra army needed to fight daily oxidative stresses. Okay, so diet is giving us extra antioxidants. Sources of antioxidants, food sources. Okay, so like fruits, there are many fruits are there, berries, oranges, kiwi, pomegranate. From this we get vitamin C and anthocyanins, right? Okay, from vegetables we get like spinach, broccoli, carrots. These are giving beta carotene and lutein antioxidants. From nuts and seeds we are getting almonds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds. These are giving vitamin E, selenium. From drinks, various kinds of drinks are there like green tea, coffee, cocoa, which gives polyphenols and catechins, and others like dark chocolate, red wine. Okay, so resveratrol, flavonoids. Okay, resveratrol. So these are some of the antioxidants are there. In our real life we can say that antioxidants prevent cellular aging, it slows down wrinkles, improves skin health, protects DNA, yes, protects DNA, reduces risk of cancer causing mutations, cancer causing mutations. So it is reducing that risk of cancer causing mutations. It protects DNA. It keeps our heart healthy by preventing LDL. Okay, that is bad cholesterol. LDL is bad cholesterol and oxidation. So antioxidants are keeping our heart healthy. Antioxidants boosts immunity and brain function by reducing inflammation, and it supports recovery from exercise. Okay, less muscular fatigue and cell damage. So we can say that antioxidants are used for natural repair of our body cells, and it is a defense mechanism. Okay, so antioxidants are our body's defense mechanism, defense team, and it stops harmful free radicals from damaging our cells. So this is all about antioxidant. Thank you.